Look, it's great to see the team come together. It's great to see great collaboration. And more importantly, it's great to have a bit of fun.
You've got people from finance, you've got people from HR, you've got people from tech, you've got people from property, all working together to really build the best race car they can.
Tech is always about the people and the mindset and how it's used to improve, people's lives.
This is a great way to get a big group of our folks to become aware of the opportunities that artificial intelligence creates for our customers.
In the back, the work which has gone to build those models actually creates the learning path for individuals. I believe that leads to innovation, and that leads to the good work we aspire to do.